Dorico has always had two ways of viewing your notated music. Page view, which shows the music laid out on the page exactly as it will be printed, and galley view, which shows the music on a single continuous system with all staves always visible. Dorico 6 introduces a new way to see your music on the screen, Fill View, which, as the name implies, fills your screen with as much of the music as it can at the current zoom level, letting you scroll up and down to see the entire project. Let's take a look. You can switch to Fill View by pressing the toggle button on the status bar or by using the key command Control-Alt-3, that's Command Option 3 on Mac. Scroll up and down to see more music, including other flows if your project has them. When you change the width of the Dorico window, the music reflows to fit. The same thing happens when you change the zoom level. Fill View probably works best with individual instruments and smaller ensembles, as it can then make the best use of the available space. The previous toggle view type command for switching between page and galley views has been replaced with a cycle view type command, which cycles between the three views. However, there's a new command to toggle specifically between page view and galley view so that you don't lose that behavior if you currently make use of it. And there's another new command to toggle between page view and fill view. In some ways, fill view is like galley view. It can only be used in write mode. Switching to engrave mode will always revert to showing page view. And because the width of the Dorico window determines the fill view system width rather than the page dimensions, condensing does not display in fill view. However, if empty staves are set to be hidden in layout options, fill view will respect that. You can specify the amount of space between systems on the vertical spacing page of layout options. And there's an option to show non-printing bar numbers on every bar, which you can control from the View menu and choose your default in the new View Options dialog. Finally, you can set Fill View as the default view type on the general page of Preferences. And that's Fill View in Dorico 6. For certain projects, such as when I'm starting a transcription, I absolutely love using Fill View, as it means I can see as much of the flow as possible. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Fill View, so please do leave a comment below. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.